one, I've written a book on life and polygamy, and secondly, we wanted to contribute immensely against the fight against women and children abuse.
Yes, even for clothing, we do go and shop together occasionally, but not always. We've got our own personal style that we can shop even if we are together. And now we can see this one can suit who and this one is okay for who.
Follow your heart, do what you think it's good for you. Make sure that you know exactly what you are entering, not based on the advice that I would give you based on my life, because my life would be different from your life, and the experience that I have won't work for you because you're not me. We are totally different. Also, the husband that you'll be marrying to is different from my husband, and also ask God to guide you all the way, because it really helps.
So I always say to men who wants to lead this kind of a lifestyle, it should never be about your partner, because then that becomes a nasty thing. It should be about you and how you would view your family growth. This question, recently I'm getting this question quite a lot. Taking a wife is not just an overnight thing. I cannot say I would take or not, because it should remain based on the fact that I wanted to have a particular family, and it should come from those bases to say, is there a need that all of us, we see that we can have another wife? If we feel that we don't need another person, I guess there will be no another wife.
We enjoy watching TV on Sundays. There are a lot of drama, witchcraft. I'm learning a lot to see, hey, people can do such things out there. Every day I'm enjoying Isbaya, The Queen. I'm enjoying a lot of shows that I'm watching, but mostly I'm enjoying Uthando Nesthembu. I don't think there is any show that's comes into this level of Uthando Nesthembu. In my heart, obviously, it's my personal view. I love Uthando Nesthembu. Hi, this is Musa Mseleku of Uthando Nesthembu.
Hi, this is Mzansi Magic from Uthando Nesthembu.
Hi, this is Musa Mseleku from Uthando Nesthembu.
Hello, Mamkulu Uthando Nesthembu.
Hi, I'm Babi from Uthando Nesthembu.
And watch us every Thursday.
Bye.